Hi guys, welcome to day 3 of vlogs. You're not seeing this until actually you're supposed to see something like today, but I haven't even left the camp. I'm still here. Like I don't even know why. But so many things happened yesterday. I don't remember if I talked about it. I'm so tired. I just got up. Um, I'm supposed to leave this morning. I hope I get to leave this morning because Christ, this cold is unbearable. Um, because of something this thing that happened yesterday, my chest is still hurting me. So it's like, ooh, it's like actual pain. Oh my God, gosh, that hurts. I don't know if told you guys what happened yesterday. If I didn't, I'm gonna go check and then come back. But right now, what I'm going to do is see if there's anyone inside the activity center up there, and then I'm going to ask them when I'm leaving because I need to know when I'm leaving. I need to leave. I can't stay here anymore. It's cold. I need to go back inside and wrap up in my blanket. Let's get up and go ask if I'm leaving. So yeah, I did mention. Did I mention it in all the video? I did not. So let me kind of explain something very quickly before I get up a bunch of questions. Yes, I am a modest content creator, but right now you will be seeing me in my loungewear. Right now I've been wearing my loungewear because I only have I mentioned I only packed 2 jean skirts. I'm at a camp. They don't have washers, like washing machines or dryers. And the place is cold, so I can't wash it and hang it on to dry. I've had things that were drying yesterday, and they were outside the whole day, and they still haven't dried yet. So I wouldn't even risk that. So I just have wet jeans. I don't want that. So, I'm just realizing that I didn't carry any tights. So what I'd need to do is order some online. Is there anyone? Is it open?
What?
That?
No.
Oh.
I don't go open up there.
What time is breakfast?
7 o'clock at breakfast, miss.
So how them door open then? 6:12? It's 6:12. How them must open yet?
You don't need breakfast. You don't prepare. You don't need to open up the place or anything. Breakfast. And see, yesterday canned fruit and yogurt. Then there's pre-ready something already.
I don't want that.
The only thing that they make actually the tea.
Oh gosh, we are struggling. I need to leave. I was supposed to leave last night, but I'm still here. Oh gosh. Yeah, anyway. How was I saying?
Yeah, I seen a video all over that place, yeah?
Oh, go ahead. For these, the reason I wear it is because, as I said, I can't wear the jeans skirts everywhere. Because smell dirty, I can't wash it. So I have to be walking around in my lounge pants until I can sort that out. But till I can go to my relative's house where I need to actually buy my tights today maybe so it can be shipped to there, so by the time I reach I have it. But in the meantime I have to be wearing these, so you will see me while I'm at the camp. You will be seeing me when I'm outside in my loungewear. Well, you won't be seeing it constantly, but there'll be some clips where you'll see it. Like you probably see a hint of it, or in the clip where I have up there, by the pool in the court. you'd have seen it there. So yeah. Hey, so yeah, I just had breakfast, had a slight meeting, and right now, going back to the dorm to watch a movie maybe. I'm supposed to leave today. Not sure what's happening. I was supposed to leave yesterday, as I told you guys. I was supposed to leave this morning. I don't think I told you guys, but I'm supposed to leave. I'm not. I'm still here for some reason. So yeah, also I tried to like activate my T-Mobile card, SIM card. Didn't work. I paid $60. Didn't work. So I'm gonna ask about that because that's $60. That's not cheap. So I'm gonna see if I can fix that. Hopefully before I leave. I'm not sure when I will leave because I haven't gotten any information. But yeah, it's going great. It's going great, y'all. Had fun last night. The people I was talking to, they're going to do their training. So I'm going to just be chilling in the dorm. I have to show, and then I'll be chilling in the dorm. See? So, this is my whistle. We're going through my bag. This is my whistle. So I can, if I see someone drowning, I'll be like, no, blow whistle. You! Clear the pool! And then just jump in. Whistle. This is a filter. I don't know how to use this yet. They haven't taught me. So, filter. This is a mask. So you know when someone's like not breathing, and I have to do like a rescue breathing, like breathe for them. I would use this instead of like putting my mouth to their mouth, like what you see in shows. We don't do that here. That's germs. So we'll put this over their mouth, and then blow into the tube to blow into their mouth. So that's this. Then I have gloves. I need more gloves because they said you can never have enough gloves, which is true. But they also said that when I go to wherever pool, the pool might not have enough gloves, so I need to stock up while I'm here because they have everything here. He's shouting so loud. For what reason, I don't know. Anyway, that's kind of it. I'm gonna go shower now. So, yeah. See you in a bit. I finally have gotten my SIM card to work, so I'm gonna try it out now. I just had lunch. My people, they're leaving. You can, when I reach closer. My people are leaving. Anyway, I'm leaving tomorrow. I'll tell you guys that when I reach inside the dorm. But yeah. He's leaving, guys.
They're there.
Bye.
Bye.
This is my first ever actual adult experience. You can't hear me. I'm at the bus station. Am I supposed to go in here? You said in here. Hold on. Okay, so she said I'm going to go and wait at line B. I'm guessing that's there. Yeah. But I'm supposed to. She'll be calling the Like she'll be announcing when we're supposed to leave, and then we leave. So I have like a whole, think of it for the Jamaican people. Apparently it's like nuts food. I've never taken nuts food in my life, so I don't know. Hi guys, so it's actually the day after. I completely forgot to close a video yesterday, so I went to die right now. But I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Well, guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if you're enjoying this series. And as always, guys, it's been fun. I'll see you in the next video, which is tomorrow. Bye.